Blondor Soft Blonde Cream is an oil-infused cream lightener which is suitable for all techniques, but it has a very specific formula which means it's perfect for on-scalp applications. So Julie, why don't you take us through what is it about this formula in Soft Blonde Cream that makes it ideal for scalp lightening?
So Blondor Soft Blonde Cream is the only product in the Blondor range that comes in the form of a cream, making it a unique product for the Blondor family. It's being created for an on-scalp application. It's enriched with a special blend of protecting lipids which are specially designed to make it more gentle and comfortable on the scalp. And let me tell you, clients love this product because of that.
Yes, Soft Blonde Cream feels really luxurious when you're working with it. The formula feels rich and creamy, and as well as being comfortable on the scalp for our clients, the lipids in the formula help to nourish and protect the hair from moisture loss whilst you're lightening.
And speaking of lightening, you can achieve up to 7 levels of controlled and reliable lift with Soft Blonde Cream, making it ideal for creating blonde results. And plus, it gives you a really nice creamy consistency to work with, ideal for precision applications like regrowth for this root area, and it's formulated with our anti-brass complex, which helps to neutralize some of those warm tones that are exposed in the hair when you lighten. It's great at staying in place for those root applications also.
Amazing. Okay, so we know now that you can't wait to try Soft Blonde Cream. Well, before you do, here's the important how-tos you need to consider.
So you mix it with Welloxon Perfect in a ratio of 1 to 1.5 up to 1 to 2, depending on your desired consistency that you like to work with.
You can mix it with 4%, 6%, 9%, 12% or 1.9% pastel Welloxon Perfect Developer, depending on the levels of lift you require. But if you're applying to the scalp, you shouldn't use anything higher than 6%. I actually really like to work with 4% or 6%.
Our top tip when it comes to scalp bleaching is getting your clients to rebook before they leave. This avoids them leaving the roots to grow out too long, which makes things trickier.
Also, always remember to take fine sections and regularly check throughout the development time to ensure you get even results.
And here's another quick tip. You can also add Wellaplex Part 1 to your formula to reduce breakage by up to 97%, but you must follow with Step 2, the bond stabilizer.
When it comes to application, apply Soft Blonde Cream evenly to unwashed hair. Allow Blondor Soft Blonde Cream to develop visually for up to 50 minutes, checking regularly until you've achieved your desired levels of lift. Once developed, rinse thoroughly with warm water, shampoo, and then finish with Blondor Seal and Care.
And then you're ready to tone.